Okay, so we're gonna do tater tot casserole today, and I'm gonna show you my version of how to do it, and it's really simple. I've heard people do it different ways. My daughter does it with Funyuns and the tater tots. I just choose to use it this way. It's what I'm used to. It's a little on the heavy side. So what we're gonna have is that we're gonna use tater tots, of course, which I got from Aldi's. I'm using 1 pound of ground beef, which I've already grounded. And then I'm going to use cream of chicken and cream of mushroom. I have some cheese, and now it is on the heavy side. And then I have onion powder, and I have granule garlic as well. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to start with, okay. So I'm going to start with my cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. I like the two flavors together. You can just, if you want to make it lighter, but I like the two flavors together. It gives a better flavor. It's one of my grandchildren's favorites. Now, it is pasty, as you know, with soup. So I like to add just a little bit of liquid. And I have about, it's about a half a can of milk. And we're going to mix this up. Now I won't add the seasonings until we put the tater tots on, only because I want the seasonings to go down on top of the tater tots and then work its way down into the food. And that's all I do. And then I will take the glass cookie or cake pan, casserole, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to do it like this. Oh, these kids absolutely love this. I'll put a little bit of cheese on it. You give it that extra yum. You want to talk about comfort food? This is it. I ask for this every time the grandkids come see me. And it's just really simple, basic. The only reason I don't do the cheese on top of the tater tots is because when the tater tots don't brown long enough, and so it's easier to put the cheese in the middle because I like my tater tots to be crispy for that crunch. And we've done pretty good so far all week, so this is kind of my splurge. Okay, and this is that. Now I'm going to use the whole bag on top of the casserole dish. Okay. I'm going to sprinkle my seasonings. Now you can add the seasoning into the meats however you choose to do it. Alright. And that's all we're going to do. And then it goes in the oven until the tater tots are golden brown. And then we'll pull it out, let it sit, and it'll be ready. Okay, so while we're waiting for the tater tot casserole to finish, so what I'm going to do is, for our green, I'm going to use green beans. And we're going to saute them in the olive oil for a little bit. And no butter, just olive oil. And then we're going to steam them a little bit. Garlic to it, and now I use chopped up chopped up garlic. I'm gonna heat that just a little bit. Add a little bit of water to that. Now as I'm cooking it down, I always keep some water to the side because I'm not just frying just fried with the olive oil. It's more of a fry steam type thing. And as it cooks down the water, we add more olive oil. we're going to turn this down and let this simmer. I'm going to add a little bit more water.